Hello everyone, this is Pamela. It doesn't have, wala naman tong video or anything. Podcast lang to about the title, Rise Up, Preparing Employees for Management Through Company Academy. This title, nag-start siya when my professor asked me kung maganda daw ba na ino-offeran ng isang certain company yung employee nila ng academy na for their company only. Kunwari, ABC company, for ABC company only. So, my answer is yes, maganda naman siya. Win-win situation siya doon sa employee and at the same time is parang win-win situation din siya sa company. For me ha, um, if you're an employee 'no, tapos o-offeran ka na mag-aaral ka sa academy ng ABC company and then they will promise you na they will, promote you to be a manager, well maganda siya actually. Kasi parang magiging manager ka on instantly. Kasi 'di ba ngayon kung gusto mong makapasok sa management level sa kahit saang organisasyon, dapat meron kang degree. And ngayon doon sa ABC company, hindi mo na kailangan ng degree. Automatic once na nag-academy ka is pasok ka na as a manager. The question is, lahat po ba ng employee ino-offeran nila ng academy? Hindi lahat. Ino-offeran nila yung employee ng academy or ng mag-aral doon sa organization's academy 'pag nakita nila na determinado ka, may passion, at the same time meron kang skills. They doesn't care about sa education mo, ang mahalaga you have the skills para sa ikagaganda ng organizations nila. Yes, maganda siya, of course. Pero at the end of the day, tignan rin naman natin yung point of view, paano kung ma-burnout ka sa work, sa katrabaho, hmm. And nakapag-academy ka na, tapos hindi ka naman nakatapos ng pag-aaral, you can actually leave the company and then what comes after that? Dito kasi sa Philippines, kahit na meron kang 10 years or ilang years pa na experience sa isang company as a manager, kung hindi ka degree holder, I doubt na 'pag nag-apply ka sa ibang company is manager ka ulit, hindi ba? I doubt that. And at the same time, hmm, parang it's also perks na rin sa company. Kasi 'pag pinag-aral ka nila through academy, parang magiging loyal ka na sa kanila. Kasi if you want to be a manager since hindi ka nga degree holder, dun ka lang. Magagamit nila yung skills mo kahit na hindi ka tapos and parang umalis ka man, magiging mahirap para sa'yo na umalis kasi alam mo na 'pag nag-apply ka sa ibang company, hindi ka naman manager, wala ka sa management level. Pero to make it fair din naman doon sa ABC company natin kanina, okey din naman kasi 'di ba marami namang tumatanda rin at nagtatagal doon sa ABC company. So, feeling ko okey lang din 'no, yun lang. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for listening.